Hello, hello. So, I ended up doing a bit of off-stream work. Um, Throughout this part of the day, and yeah, I sort of just started working on the project and didn't turn on the stream, so yeah, I ended up doing a bit of code to handle particle lifetimes. So yeah, the only thing I changed uh, inside the particle system was uh, um, for it to check every particle for collisions. If it collides with the floor, we could actually do an equals here. Um, we added to a collide index uh, vector outside the particle physics system. Yeah, so as you can see here, we update our particles depending on their velocities and the pull of gravity. And if they collided, we first create the vector, which then gets filled with every particle that may have collided. Then for each particle currently uh, in our system, we want to set that specific game object to dirty, and um, then we want to store a pointer to the particular game object that is dirty. I'm still unsure whether this flag is actually needed right now, but we do it just in case we might need it eventually. We fill out the vector with the known dirty objects that need updating, and we calculate for each particle, we calculate a new transform matrix. Yeah, there are some adjustments in general that we probably would make eventually, and one could argue that a particle system is supposed to be on the GPU side, but yeah, right now we do it on the CPU side, and then we just upload the data to the GPU, or rather update it every frame. Then for each particle, when we have calculated it's 9 p.m. here. I'm from Scandinavia. How about you? You must be from some place southern Europe, or then we check if we got some collided particles. We would want to destroy that particular particle, and I still don't know if this flag is supposed to be used, but oh, okay, I'm from Scandinavia. Where are you from? Oh yeah, I remember. Sorry, I forgot. You told me the other day. I'm sorry. Yeah, yeah, about an hour. And then we know that an object needs to be deleted. So therefore, we create a list of objects that need to be deleted with their specific ID. Um, then if we have any collisions, we do some vector gymnastics in terms of uh, moving out the objects that are not supposed to be deleted from the list, and then moving the new list without whatever needs to be deleted into our old registers. Then we do, I'll show you in a minute, just a second. Then I updated the update method. I cleaned out a lot of the old code since we now have the transform IDs on each game object instead of having to fetch it from some arbitrary place. This is a lot cleaner. And then I've added a free resource system. For now, it just uses erase if of the standard library, and it removes every object that is supposed to be destroyed. We could do further um, further improvements or optimizations. All right. Uh, no, I'm just explaining it for a YouTube video, so therefore I go into detail with what I've done. But now I show you what I've been doing these last days. I can shoot bullets, and they get. Yeah, I have YouTube, so you can see I can fire bullets from the camera. Yeah, they are not pretty bullets, but they are bullets, and they use gravity. So if I fire a bullet like that, it will fall down again eventually, sometime later perhaps. uh, yeah, we're getting somewhere. So yeah, I have done a particle system with physics. So it uses gravity and different speeds. Um, the plan is to make a game system where player characters and other objects have uh, um, are moved around like real objects with a physics engine. So this is just the start of it. But yeah, this took all day, and it's pretty nice. We can slow down the bullets if you want to see them. So I slow them down into something really, really slow here. Uh, and as you can see, this is a bullet that flies. Hopefully. We can check the frames per second in NVIDIA Insight, at least an approximation on how many frames per second. So this is approximately 2000 frames per second. I'm sorry, I'm not sure I understand. Oh, I can make the bullets really, really fast if you want to, if that's what you mean. Uh, so we can't really see them. No, 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 no. There's no limit. Or I think I would get a slow FPS around maybe if I am able to create like 2000 bullets at the time. But this code is not optimized, so if I did optimization, maybe we could do 5000 or 10,000 without problems. But I mean, you don't need that many bullets. I actually think that, let's see. Nah, it's fine. But yeah, tomorrow I will probably be doing more physics stuff.